Okay, so new day, new strategy. So yesterday I shared the normal strategy and unaweza trade even odd, okay? Na I've been working on this reverse psychology strategy for quite some time. So nimeona pia ni share na nyinyi. I believe that kama wa group nili introduce in the morning. So niliwatumia a written form of this strategy, okay? But someone requested that I should share a video. That is why I'm here today, okay? So first of all, let's understand what psychology or maybe reverse psychology means, okay? In simple terms, this is the technique whereby you expect the opposite reaction from what is being shown. For instance, if maybe people are planning to go for the even market, for example, so you find odd entries in that case, you see? So that is what it simply means, okay? And now you have to have different entry points and different techniques, okay? So that at least you avoid messing up with your trade, okay? So this is analyst scheme, the disputed king of digits. Nataka nikupeleke very fast, na kama hutaelewa there is a PDF for this strategy, you can just have it and I'm sure that you're going to understand everything very well. So I'm on profithub.site, that is the website that we usually use. And nishafika my morning target using the same strategy that I'm going to share. So site umefika $278. With this strategy, don't make very many runs. As you can see, nimepiga runs tatu, zote zimekuwa wins. I was going for the even market on volatility 25 1 second index with a target of only 200 USD, staking with $110, okay? So step one, make sure that you log into www.profithub.site, okay? That is exactly what I've did here, okay? So by then naweza onyesha venye unaweza ingia kwa site. So unakujanga hapa hivi, you just type www.profithub.site, okay? Nothing feels happy like trading ukiwa na mashine yako hapa kando. So unakuja unafungua hivyo, then money is going to take me directly to the website. And if you don't have a trading account, you can just click sign up, or maybe kama uko na account, you just click login. Tulisema nowadays it's very simple because you can deposit via the website, via the ABPay app, or maybe you can withdraw via the same application. Tuko pamoja? So that is the first step, which is very easy, of course. Now the next step is understanding the reverse psychology concept, okay? Now this strategy focuses on trading against the overcrowded momentum. Instead of following the strongest side, we look for signs of exhaustion and possible reversal using the blue bar, the green bar, the yellow bar, and the red bar, okay? So what does that mean? Maybe kama market imedominate the even side, okay? The even side. So you're going to find entries to trade the odd side venye ilikuwa nimekuelezea hapa hivi mbele, si ndio? Aya. So I hope up to that point tuko pamoja, okay? Now this strategy works best when one side becomes too dominant. For example, chenye nimekuelezea hapa, even side na odd side, okay? So nikusoma notes tu because nimeandika ndio ikuwe rahisi sana. So so let's check first of all the reverse even setup na zile vitu unafaa kuangalia before you conclude that you're going to trade the even market, okay? So the main confirmation, when the most pairs are heavily on the even side, the even digits will definitely become overbought. Kwa pamoja, hizi ni vitu nimekuelezea for the longest time, okay? So sijui kama unaona vizuri. Then right now, at this point now, kama even market imekuwa overbought, you're going to now begin preparing for the even reversal. Sasa that is the odd reversal, uingie market ya odd, okay? For example, let's assume that a digit 0 which is even, these are even digits, so maybe 0 iko 13.2%, ingine iko 12%, 12.5%, 13%, that is the even digits. So it means that the market ina concentrate more on the even side, okay? So it's becoming dominating the even market, okay? And the odd side, digits za odd side zote ziko na less percentages. Unaona 8.7, that is 1357 zikifuatana hivyo, 9.1, 9.4, 9.0, okay? So this shows that the even is overcrowded, you see? Aya, so instead of entering even late, sasa badala uingie huku because already zisha gain, so the only chance on these digits is to decrease, unaona? Then sasa you're going to now find an odd reversal, uingie market ya odd, okay? Because odd now will start dominating the market. That is what definitely happens in the market. Are we together? Then what is the next thing? So it's the entry point, right? So the first entry point unaweza tumia the red bar reversal entry point. Okay, now if the blue, green and the yellow bars are still on even right here on this case, okay, but the red bar is suddenly shifting to the odd side. So ukipata maybe this one is the odd is the red bar for example, so ukipata red bar iko kwa maybe digit 3 which is odd, now you're going to use it as the entry point, okay, because this one is going to signal a early reversal momentum. Are we together? Now the red bar on digit 5 is having 10.8%, okay. Maybe if there's another gain in digit on the odd side, you can still use it as the entry point. For example, ukiwa na 10.8 niko kwa odd side of the market, maybe ikiwa digit 5, 3, 7 or 9. Are we together? Now this can become a strong odd entry setup. Are we together? So that is the even setup, and there's another explanation here on the entry point. So even percentages remain too high, but one odd digit starts recovering above 10.5%. Hiyo ndio nimekuelezea hapa right here, so unaweza tumia kama entry point, okay? Yeah. Now this one here right here is a clear example of what I'm just explaining. So for example, if digit 5 is having 10.7% na hizo digits zingine odd zina decrease, bado unaweza tumia kama entry point. Are we together? This strategy is very simple. It's a matter of usione zikiwa notes mingi, ni kitu tu unafaa kuangalia then una trade. Unaona? Aya, so next video I'll be doing a video nikitrade using the same strategy, na utaona venye it's very simple. Tuko pamoja? Yep. So digit 5 in that case now will become the entry point. Now we have the reverse odd setup, which is the vice versa of that, but I'll be brief on this. Now when most bars are heavily on the odd side, odd becomes exhausted, okay? Then even digits may begin reversing. Are we together? So assume that the odd side sasa ndio ziko na zile higher percentages, you see? So kama ndio ziko na hizo higher percentages, the even sides zinafaa kuwa zikuwe na lower percentages. Are we together? This is just the vice versa, okay? It's only that I just want to explain briefly. Are we together? Aya. So prefer for a possible even reversal. So you're going for the odd market now, okay? Now, that is exactly what I'm trying to mean. So if there's an odd digit that is on the even side, you're going to use it as the entry point. So for example, assume that iko kwa digit 2. So hiyo ndio itakuwa entry point. Na kama utapata between these digits, that is a 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, okay? So kama kuna digit in again hapo hivyo, you're going to use it as the entry point. The symbol is that, okay? Then just have these tips, avoid entering overcrowded momentum late. For example, even though ilikuwa in again, then unataka kuingia even. That one might lead you to some losses, okay? Then watch for exhaustion signals carefully. Maybe kama ulikuwa unaangalia even market na in again sana, so make sure that unaiangalia vizuri to confirm that that market is fully exhausted. Okay, then use proper risk management. I gave you guys the good risk management that you're supposed to use. The payout should be have your take profit. Ama take profit inafaa ikuwe times 2 your payout. Are we together? So wait for confirmation before entering any market. And now I must leave you with this risk warning. Trading involves risk. This strategy focuses on market reversals and should be traded with patience, discipline and proper confirmations, okay? Then this is powered by Analyst Kim, and this is the CEO www.profithub.site. Wishing you guys all the best. Ukitrade itajipa, but make sure that you're using the right strategy. My strategies are always confirmed, so mbono si trade on tengeneza hizo profits, okay? So tupatane live trading and pia join our group for daily classes. So just click the link on bio. Just click the link on bio, okay? Then ukiklik hapo itapeleka direct to maybe mali unaweza join our Telegram group. Ukijoin Telegram group pia unaweza subscribe to our YouTube channel, okay? YouTube. Then hapo ndio tunakanga classes, we usually stream over there. So don't be left out. Wishing you guys all the best. See you all at the top.